Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi. I get every week makeup and cosmetic related videos, and today's video is a special one. Today's makeup look is a glamorous summer look. I have created this look using all the products that are actually $5 or under $5. If you don't trust me, keep on watching this video. This video will also be helpful to all those sweethearts who have just ventured into the makeup and they don't want to go high on budget and want to buy products that are actually workable, they are effective, they look beautiful. Yes, then this is the guide for you all to make your makeup kit. So further ado, let's get started. Comment below who are the people who think lip balms are for winter, but you know, lips get dehydrated more in summers, and this is the best affordable option for lip balms. And now let's move on to the next part, primer. Not to prime is crime, especially in summers, and for this I'm using e.l.f. putty. This is one of the best options available for priming your skin during summer. This is not very heavy on your skin, and whatever products I'm gonna use in this video will be listed below. You can go ahead and buy them, and I am just generously blending this into my skin so that everything becomes blur, and it is a beautiful canvas to work with the foundation. For the foundation, you have seen me using over so many weeks. This is from Wet n Wild. It comes with this spatula kind of a applicator, and trust me my girls, this is far better than many of high-end foundation. This gives you a skin kind of a look after application, and this is a medium coverage foundation. This comes in a lot of shades, and yes, this is an aqua or a water-based formula, so this is very light to use in summer. This doesn't crease so much, so yes, this is one of the best foundation to be used in affordable section. And if you're scared that the foundation moves out of place or gets faded, then I will tell you one of the hack which is coming on very soon. Okay, now let's talk about the beauty sponge. Beauty sponge I'm using is from e.l.f. This is one of the best beauty sponge I've ever used. So now let's move on to the next part, how to actually make your foundation summer and sweat proof. The best way to do is not to use powder during summers to set your face, because powders make your face look cakey when it mixes with the sweat. So you have to use a setting spray. Just spray it on the butts of your damp beauty sponge and then lock your foundation into your skin. When you're doing this, remember that you don't have to put a lot of pressure while dabbing the beauty sponge on your face, because if you apply too much of pressure, it tends to make your foundation move out of the place. So always remember this. And now let's move on to the next part, which is concealer. This concealer is from e.l.f. It's gonna be one of the most creamiest and lightweight formula you ever encounter from the affordable aisles. Yes, this is I'm using on usual points using the same beauty blender. I'm just going to blend it. There's no rocket science, but when you're doing this for summers, there's one analogy that works, that the concentration of the concealer and the foundation should always be water based. It should be lightweight and should be creamy. If it is not creamy, then when the sweat will come, it will make it crease, crack and move out of the place. So these are the 3 points you have to remember whenever you're going to pick anything for the base makeup. Now just for the under eye, I will be using this Black Radiance setting powder. This I would use only, remember, only to set my under eyes. That's it. Because these are the points where my concealer and foundation crack. So I'm just doing that using a Real Technique brush. Let me know in the comment box if you are interested to see any affordable brush recommendation video. I would love to do it for you. Now for the eyebrows, I will be using NYX Cosmetics Brow Kit. This comes with a wax. Remember, whenever you're going to do your brows in summer, you will be using any pencil, pomade, or you would do your eyebrows with powder, but you will ensure that it is set with a wax or gel, because when you sweat, I don't want that the eyebrow product makes your face look like a Halloween face. The black product, the brown product gets all over your face. So always use gel base, liquid or pomade kind of a product. Whenever you work with your brows, the front section should be filled like hair-like strokes in the hair-like direction. Otherwise your brows look definitely out of place. They don't look natural, and this is the biggest mistake we do while doing our brows, not filling the front section properly. Otherwise, doing your brows is one of the simplest thing in makeup. So always remember, whenever you do your front section, draw hair-like strokes, keep it in hair direction so that brows are on point every time. Now let's move on to the next part. This is the fun part. Beauty Glaze color board. It comes with so many colors, and keep an eye on Amazon coupon codes because it comes in deal for $5 at times. And I'm just creating a spotlight kind of an eye look with my favorite color these days. It's a peachish orange. To create this spotlight kind of a look, you just have to pat the color on the outer and the innermost corner. You don't have to blend it, just first pat it and accumulate it. Then using a clean brush, join the both colors. Now I've used no extra color, I'm just joining them and blending them so that there are no harsh lines, absolutely seamless. After this, what I'll do, I'll just keep on blending and then I'll pick up this beautiful metallic golden color and place it right in the middle of my eye where there is little bulge. So this is why it's called spotlight makeup, and that's one of the most beautiful makeup you can do for eyes, and very simple. Now no extra product on the brush. Whatever the product was left, I'm trying to blend gold and the peachish orange, and to complete the look, I'll do the magic. Isn't it great, the magic? Now I'm using this NYX Cosmetic eyeliner pencil in green color to make it more colorful and vibrant for the summers. This is a great pencil. This is a smudge proof pencil, and now with the same brush I'm just making it a little smoky under eye or near the waterline, and that's what I've done. Now after this, we would be working with the highlighter part to highlight my innermost corner and the brow bone. For this, I'll be using the same golden color from the same color palette and highlight my innermost corner and the brow bone with a flat brush, the same palette I told you. And now I'm just curling my eyelashes. People are scared of curling the eyelashes. I don't know why. Just be careful with two things when you're curling your eyelashes. You have to put the right pressure. Don't be harsh on your eyes. And then you have to put mascara. This is a illegal mascara which has fiber particle in it. If you're somebody who hates wearing false lashes, who is not comfortable, who is not that pro at it, then the mascara is a magic. It has false like fiber particle in it, which gives a lot of volume and length to your eyelashes. Let me show you the wand first. It is a thick wand, and now let me apply it and show you the difference with eyelashes covered with mascara and eyelashes without mascara. Let me little zoom it in so that the difference is clear. Isn't it great? Now let me work on to the next one. For the next one, again, that will say is the same. Curl your lashes, put or apply your mascara, and now comes the next part, the most interesting part. If you're someone who loves to wear false lashes and you are still struggling to get a good eyelash glue, then the answer is to get a kiss, not the kiss, to get a kiss eyelash glue. This one is so wonderful, and the eyelashes I'm wearing is from e.l.f. The description box has the name and everything you want for the lashes. Now I am going to contour and bronze my face. For this, I'm using just one product. This is from Wet n Wild. This is a creamy stick. This is one of the most creamiest stick I've used in affordable or drugstore options. I'm using it at the usual point. I'm also contouring my nose with the same product. Let me know in the comment section who are watching this video and have a nose like me that is small, not very sharp, and not very amplified or aviated, should I say, like pointed. Yeah, then how do you contour your nose? If you're interested to see how I make my nose little more pronounced, then I have a contouring hack for you all. So I'll be waiting for your opinion if you want to see it or not. And right now I'm just using an angular brush to contour my face and bronze the face using the same product. This is an angular brush. I'm just pushing the product back into my hairline so that it becomes a part of my face. It doesn't look like out of place, something brown has been applied. Now let's talk about this product. This product is a right color match for anybody who is like me in the brown skin tone. It doesn't make my face look muddy or ashy. Sometimes the products are too warm. They make the contour or the bronzing products stand out, and sometimes they are so cool tone that they look muddy on us. But this one is a right color shade for us. And now I'm just using another brush to contour my nose to make it little pronounced, little visible. For the blush, I am going to use this gorgeous girl. This is an elf multi-use stick, and I'm using on apple of the cheeks. And this is a gorgeous cream base, handy, travel friendly, bite size blush. Now, most important point for summer, whenever you're using any blush or contour product, try to stay liquid or cream for summer. These have long staying power and they don't move out of the place, and they don't mingle with the sweat to make you look like a cakey and an oily face. So always use liquid and cream products for face contour and blush. Now for the highlighter, I'm using elf baked highlighter. Whenever you're using any highlighter, remember to stay natural, to use baked or cream liquid based highlighter. Avoid highlighters that have chunky particles in it. If it mingles with the sweat, the chunky sparkles will be all over your face. Now I'm using a lipstick. Before lipstick, I'm using this cloth. Why? To exfoliate my lips and to remove any excess lip balm, so that whenever I apply lipstick, it doesn't move out of the place, it doesn't bleed. So for this, again, one most important step is to use a lip liner. This is from LA Girl. This is a beautiful lip liner. And when I was saying, whenever you use a lip liner, this is a guard that your lipstick will stay on the place. Lipstick is from Maybelline. This is a matte formula, but this is an easy matte. This is a creamy matte. I generally prefer not to wear liquid lipsticks during summer. Summers, lips are a little more dehydrated, and liquid matte lipstick accentuates that thing, and you don't want to look like a zombie wearing a lipstick. So keep it cream matte. Almost done with the makeup, but to lock it into your skin is important. Again, using a Wet n Wild setting spray. Before the setting spray evaporates, I'll use the beauty blender to set everything and lock everything and make makeup more seamless. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Today's video will help many of us to make up or revamp our makeup kits, and this makeup look is such a easy one. I think you will try. If you'll try, do tag me and let me know. And until we meet next, as I always say, keep on practicing makeup. Take care. Bye bye.